Mr. Ulie, what is the focus of your company, 5M?
Hello, 5M, it's focused on composites, of course, but not only in the small width of the composites, not one technology, but a lot of technologies, pultrusion, sandwich panels, RTM, and so on. And also it finds customers in different markets.
Okay. What are current trends in the industry and how do you react to them?
It's nice to see the trends, how they are going through different industry to one place of composites. Maybe 20 years ago nobody knows composites, maybe in some small area of industry, but today cars, buses, trains, planes, space application, agriculture, I don't know, building industry, everybody are looking for a new solution. So the trends are coming, let's say every day, new trend and new idea what could be used from composite. That's fine.
Yeah, okay. And how do you collaborate there with partners, with suppliers, etc.?
We are making a little joke that the best distributor of all products are the suppliers. I mean suppliers of the raw materials, because they have also big knowledge from their own development. And we very often collaborate on a new application. We do development together, and we have really strong energy to focus on the customer wishes. And it helps to both sides, like supplier, Covestro for example, and producer, 5M. And we have really good structure and good idea to give the customer not only some copy of something, but really new application, new idea how to make the product better.
Okay. And what are your expectations regarding JEC World, the show here?
On the JEC happens during the 3 days a lot of interesting things, appointments, and it brings new stories and new ideas in a very short time. So expectations are high, but with a lot of question marks. So we are on the beginning, we will see what will happen in these 3 days.
Many thanks, Mr. Ulie.
Thank you.